everyone, welcome back to Global Creative Design. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning flyers using Canva. Whether you are promoting an event, advertising a business, or just getting creative, Canva makes it super easy and fun. Let's start. Here you can see Canva provides a lot of templates for flyers as well. If you want any design from these templates, you can customize any template. Alright, here you can see we have 74,000 plus flyer templates which Canva provides us. But we will make a flyer from scratch. So let's start. create a beautiful customized flyer made in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you are excited to create your own amazing flyers. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Global Creative Design for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.